Hola, bienvenidos. I'm Chelsea McDougall, the editor of Labels and Labeling magazine. I'm here today at Labelexpo Mexico 2025 in Guadalajara. I'm about to take a walk on the show floor to find what kind of trends, technology, and people I can run into. Follow along. All right, we didn't make it too far. We first stop at the Nilpeter booth, and it's absolutely buzzing. I'm here with Jesper Jorgensen with Nilpeter. How are you?
I'm good. And how are you?
Good. Yeah. Tell me, what is Nilpeter showcasing at Labelexpo Mexico?
We are showcasing today our FB14. This is the first time that we showcase this press here in Mexico. And this is where we are building our future, because the future is flexo. More automation, more digitalization, and that with a sustainability environment in mind. So we're showcasing again that flexo is here, and it will be here for a long time, and that is the most competitive machine on show.
Clearly, it's getting a lot of buzz. The booth is just absolutely slammed right now. Great. Well, thank you, Jesper. I'll let you get on to it. All right, one of my next stops is with Kai Avila. He is with Natural Ink. He is a local favorite. Many people know Kai. And now you're on your home turf in your home country. Yes. Tell me about what's the Guadalajara market like as compared to maybe Mexico City or even other parts of Latin America? What's the market like here?
Okay, well, Guadalajara is one of the biggest markets in Mexico. You know, one of the presses, here, Guadalajara is the city where one of the press manufacturers, they have more presses than worldwide. So Guadalajara is a very, very big market. For us, it's growing very good. Our customers in Guadalajara are growing so big. So we have a new customer, we have a customers doing very high quality labels. So Guadalajara for us is growing very good. It's very, very good market for us. It's more or less of the size of Mexico City market. So for us, Guadalajara is being very, very good, and Guadalajara as a city is beautiful. It's, the food, the drinks, the tequila, yeah. Guadalajara is tequila, mariachi.
Yes,
so
yeah.
It's a very, very nice city, and it's a very nice place.
Oh, well.
For Natural Ink, it's a great place.
Yeah, well, good. Well, it looks like you're having a lot of fun over here at the booth, so wishing you a very good show, Kai.
Thank you so much.
All right, I'm over here at the Avery Dennison booth with Mariana Mendez. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
And when visitors to Labelexpo are coming to your booth, what are they asking about mostly when they visit Avery Dennison?
They are asking about the new technologies, our RFID, about our new portfolio, especially to high-value products as wine and durables. But also they are asking about the certifications that we have in our materials as FSC. That is an important certification to sustainability. So I think those are the trends that today we have in the booth.
Great. Well, I hope you have a great show, Mariano. Pleasure to meet you. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
All right, we're seeing more friends here. I'm here with Amir at GEW. Hi, Amir. How's it going?
Going well. You know, it was a little slow, but now the people migrated to our areas, so we're happy.
It's taken some time to get through here.
Take some time.
Yeah. So Amir and I were just chatting a little bit ago about the acceptance of LED in the market in Mexico. Talk a little bit about what you're seeing and that front when it comes to that.
So it has the feeling of the floodgate opening. And the reason is that all ducks are now in a row. The inks are there, the commitment of the people for more sustainable processes, and obviously the equipment is all there, and we're ready to go. And we see now interest level in LED increase dramatically, and also closed deals. Yesterday we closed 2 machines, LED. And when you add the feature that you can actually go back to conventional if you wish so, just by replacing the cassette, then people losing the hesitations. Yeah, we can do it. So, first and foremost is power. Much less power, could be 60-70% less power. Also, much reduced carbon footprint, sustainability today. no bulbs to replace, no moving part, no reflectors to replace, no disposable of bulbs that has mercury in them. Lifespan, you need to change a bulb every 1,000 hours, whereas an LED lasts for 40,000 hours. Just to get a sense, 40,000 hours is 4.5 years if you print 24/7.
Wow. Yeah.
So
I can see why a lot of converters are adopting that. So
it's moving. Oh boy, it's moving.
yeah.
We make today a lot more LED than we make 3 or 4 years ago. And I would say probably 50% of our production today is LEDs.
Wow. Wow. Half and half.
It wasn't that even 2 years ago. So the floodgates are opening.
The floodgates are open. Well, I'm here at the GEW booth with their Aero LED 2. Come by and see them. Oh, look what I found. The latest edition of Labels and Labeling magazine. This actually is a really great edition. Among the many stories that we have in this issue, there's a great feature by James Quirk, our Latin American correspondent, about the Mexican market. So it's really timely. If you're visiting Labelexpo Mexico, grab yourself a copy of issue 1. Standing here in front of the K-Series press from Domino. Gary, initial thoughts on Labelexpo Mexico?
I have to tell you, Chelsea, this show has been fantastic. We've had tons of activity. We were at the last show 2 years ago, and it's over doubled the size, so it's been great. And there's been a lot of things that have caused people to come to our booth, of course, and one of it is there's been an explosion of variable data printing applications within the liquor and tequila labels, in the agriculture industry as well. So we've had a lot of our prospects and customers come into view, our K600 high-speed resolution system, as well as a new product that we have called our K300, which prints for a little spot printing of variable data.
Yeah, and Guadalajara has been an interesting market for Domino, right?
It's been a fantastic market for Domino for a variety of reasons. One many will know is all of the tequila and mezcal and stuff is produced right here in Guadalajara. With that, a lot of the label converters support that marketplace. And with the latest revisions in, the label providers actually have to provide what is called an SAT stamp, which is really a tax stamp that goes on every one of the tequila or liquor bottles that are used here in Mexico. So there's been a high demand for variable data with that, and we're helping a lot of customers out with that.
Lots of potential here. So thank you so much. Over here at the Domino booth, come see Gary and the rest of the gang.
We'd be glad to have you. Thanks, Chelsea.
All right, I'm over here at the Mark Andy booth, and a lot of people associate, obviously, Mark Andy with flexo presses, with digital presses, with hybrid presses, but some of the big news coming out of the show is that Mark Andy and its print products division opened a new division here in Guadalajara. I'm here with their Senior Vice President of Print Product, Mark Andy Print Products, Dave Telkin. Dave, thank you for being here.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah, talk a little bit about the news that Mark Andy announced with the new facility in Guadalajara.
We're so excited. Mark Andy Print Products has been looking to expand into this market for quite a while. Our headquarters is based in St. Louis, Missouri, and about 3 years ago we opened and expand Mark Andy Print Products in Europe, and it's been our long-term goal is to keep expanding throughout the world, and so this was our next step. So it's really important that we have a local presence in the different territories that we support. The customers really enjoy or feel more confident being able to call a local phone number, speaking to a local person. They feel like they're locally supported, and the market down here is just, it's a huge market for us. We have a huge presence with the Mark Andy equipment, and our customers are really excited that we're down here to be able to support them. Now they can get their items and everything here locally. So Mark Andy Print Products, what do? We have the full range of all the products that you would need in your print shop. All the consumables, from Dr. Blades, analog rolls, tooling, dies, tape, plate mounters that we're standing next to, the full gamut. So anything you would need in your print shop, we have it.
Wow. And so how does Mark Andy Print Products really support the rest of the things that Mark Andy does? So the flexo presses, digital, all the offerings that Mark Andy has in their portfolio.
Well, it really is, it dovetails really nice. So we sell the equipment, and then you have really it's a one-stop shop. Basically, you can buy your equipment, and then we also provide all the parts and supplies that you need for that equipment. So what better what better way, or how, to give you more confidence that you're getting the right products than the company you bought the product from, that you can get all the extra products that you need to support it. You can get those from us as well. Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, so big news from Mark Andy over this week at Labelexpo Mexico. Thanks, Dave, for the time.
Thank you.
Okay, amigos, that is it for me. That's my walkabout Labelexpo Mexico 2025. As you can see, it was a busy show, a lot of technology, a lot of people here, tons of trends and things that were being discussed on the show floor. I can't wait for you to read our full recap in Labels and Labeling Issue 2. That's it from Labelexpo Mexico 2025. Adios.